In this lesson, we will be solving linear equations. So let's think about this like rewriting a formula. Okay, let's see an example of this. Examples 1 says, the distance in feet that an object can fall in t seconds is given by the equation, this is the equation, d equals 16t squared, where t is greater than or equal to 0. If we're thinking about time, we want our answer to be positive, okay? So part A wants us to solve the equation for t. So let's go ahead and write my equation here. T equals 16t squared. I need to solve for t. So the first thing I'm going to do is to divide by 16 because I want to isolate the variable that I'm looking for, which is t in this case. So I have d equals 16 over t squared. Now, in order to cancel the square, I need to square root both sides. Okay, that will cancel. So t equals the square root of 16. Oops. Just keep working diagonal. I mean horizontal, right? That's horizontal, yes. D over 16 square root of t. Now, remember, this is plus or minus. Oh, let's add that there. Cannot forget that. T equals plus or minus square root of 16 over 16. Now, do I care about the negative answer? No, because I am dealing with t is greater than 0. So my answer will be, let's keep going, t equals square root of d over, this is supposed to be big, 16. Okay, so again, I ignore the negative because t is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so the first part was to rewrite the equation in a way that says t equals something. We did that. Now let's see what part B is. Part B wants us to determine the amount of time required for an object to fall 1,024 feet. Okay, so D, that's the distance. So let's see, my equation is t equals the square root of d over, what was that? 16. Okay, I'm going to substitute d, substitute the 1,024 feet for d. Okay. So what is that? Go ahead and make sure you double check, since you know you cannot trust my basic arithmetic. Make sure you double check it. 64. Okay, now the square root of 64 is 8. So the time for this object to fall 1,024 feet is 8 seconds. Okay? So in this lesson, we solve linear equations.